This is the last week to take advantage of the massive 40% off sale on the EdgeFinder. And don't wait any longer because this is the lowest price that it'll be all year. The EdgeFinder is a revolutionary trading software that combines fundamentals and technical trading all in one to help you find better trading entries. This is the same software that all of our expert traders use while scanning the markets. As we strive to make the EdgeFinder the best trading tool of all time by updating and upgrading it regularly, you'll never have to worry about paying for anything because the EdgeFinder is a one-time payment for life. So what are you waiting for? Get it at the lowest price of the year before it's too late. To get access to the 40% off discount, make sure you use promo code A1YT at checkout. If you have any questions about the product or sale, click the chat with us link down in the description below to automatically get connected with one of our team members right now. Remember, promo code A1YT for a huge 40% off discount on the EdgeFinder ending very soon.
Here, I want to bring in Frank here. He's on standby. I see him in the back room. We'll say hello to Frank. What's going on, Frank?
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Hey, now there's all three of us. We've got Tom in the room, Frank in the room. And
All right, Frank.
Hey, Tom, how are you?
Yeah, good.
yeah, so Frank, I wanted to get your thoughts. Do you have any ideas on the pound? If you want to share your screen, not one that we cover as much as, of course, the U.S., but any thoughts on the UK, the pound right now?
So usually I look at the pound USD in congruence with the stock market, and so I'm kind of avoiding this pair because it's very mixed, just like stocks right now. But what I do see on the daily chart is kind of like, this higher high followed by a lower high, and then just it's not very consistent. It just looks very mixed. So it's not necessarily a head and shoulders, but it's lower high followed by a higher low, just very much ranging in the meantime. So I'm not really looking at anything on pound right now, but yeah, that's just my opinion so far.
Yeah, no, it's been a pretty choppy pair, to say the least. We talked indices. We could loop back. I'm seeing a couple people in the chat over time saying they want to take a look at gold. Frank,
yeah,
you've got your screen shared. If you want to show us your thoughts on gold as of the latest, where are we at? What's the latest here?
So on the 4-hour does not look good. Also, not quite a head and shoulders, but lower lows. And what I'm looking at in the short term is a possible test in the 1950s. Dollar strength, came in hot today. Even though bond yields were falling, the 10-year yield has been tanking again. So it's kind of confusing just watching how, where the money is flowing. But yeah, so gold is looking worse off because the dollar is gaining strength, and I think it's because of big tech earnings coming out. It's kind of shaking the markets. But short-term bearishness for gold, I'd say in the 1950s, and even if you zoom out, I kind of like a long play here on the one-day chart. If price were to break this support and come down to like a previous high, like in the 1890s, or the 1900 level, and that looks like it's coupled with a longer term trend line since like November. So I kind of like short term bearishness and then a potential long setup later on.
Sure. Yeah, gold has been an interesting one to watch. And actually, to your point about a little bit of dollar strength coming in, it's kind of interesting to see the gold market not necessarily tanking with that. It seems like possibly, Frank, we've talked about this a couple of times, it could be that a little bit of uncertainty is actually lifting gold, not necessarily giving a great day, but it's not getting killed against the dollar, such as like the pound or the euro here today. You can see gold kind of holding up compared to its counterparts, against the dollar, like euro getting smacked. You've got Aussie, also getting smacked. You've got pound, of course, we just went through that one, getting hit as well. Dollar CAD, pretty much all the dollar pairs. Dollar is having a really dominant day, but not against the gold market. Seems like gold holding its own. So I would say any sign of dollar weakness could actually get a strong push here going on gold. But I thought that was kind of interesting.
Right. I think it could be because of consumer confidence too. That recent news that came out like 20 minutes ago. It's pretty substantial, I'd say. Like a drop in confidence is not very good for the dollar, and probably looking to trade the opposite way in the short term. So gold's kind of getting propped it up.
Yeah, interesting. Yeah, quite the volatile day, and of course markets continue to move.
Don't forget to check out the links in the description if you want our broker recommendation, access to our free Discord, free EdgeFinder, or want to chat with us on Telegram. Remember, you can watch us live in the markets every morning starting at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and we have lots more free trading tools and content available on our website, a1trading.com. Thanks for watching.